Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless module, loosen the screws securing the side cover and lift the cover off the system. Identify the wireless module and remove the screw securing it. Unlatch and disconnect the cables to lift the module out of the system. To reinstall the wireless module, place it back in the system and reconnect the cables. Relatch and tighten the screw to secure it. Place the side cover back on the system and tighten the screw to secure it. Please note, the system will only power on and exit service mode if the adapter is connected. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.